What's the meaning of advice column? Advice column. Advice column. Advice column. Advice column. Advice column. An advice column is a section in a newspaper, magazine, or website that provides guidance and suggestions to readers who submit their personal problems or queries. The column is typically written by an expert or a columnist who has experience in the specific subject matter, such as relationships, careers, or health. Readers submit their questions, and the columnist responds with advice and recommendations to help solve their problems. The purpose of an advice column is to provide a platform for people to receive guidance and support on a variety of topics.